Yo, what's up, homies? You guys want to learn how to take an invasive weed and turn it into rope? So this stuff back here growing, this is Caesar weed, also known as Congo jute. A lot of you guys know it as cocklebur, that stuff that'll get caught in your shoelaces. So check it out. I don't want this here at the new property. I didn't realize half of my face was out, but you know me, I don't like redoing videos. I don't want this stuff out of the property, and I want to get rid of it. So I'm gonna make something out of it anyway. Keeping the leaves right here too as I'm doing this, because I can use these leaves to help with dysentery and diarrhea. You know, so that's kind of a handy thing to have in your pack. So I'm just gonna take one of these, this one right here, and pull it. This is what we got. So that is Caesar weed. Now, what I'm gonna do is remove the leaves. Sometimes, like when I feel it taking the skin with it, I pull on it. I wish they would make tripods big enough for me. Like, I have to stand like Michael Jordan dunks a basketball just so you guys can see my head. So I'm getting all this pulled, right? No, I use those leaves for a tee. Now, I could sit here and find a rock or a stump and pound this along with my hatchet. And the reason why I would pound this with my hatchet, the back of my hatchet, is so I can break up that skin. But since it's wet, soft ground right here, I'm gonna just choose to use this vine right here to wrap it around. So I'm gonna use the vine to break the skin out. And I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I'm just putting pressure here, going and bending it in different ways. And what that's done is taken the skin of the plant off of the stem itself. So I'm peeling that away. Now I'm left with this skin. So what I do from this point, you can see back here, I've got some strands hanging already from when I started just a minute ago. And then I was thinking, hey, I bet these guys don't know how to do this, so I'll teach them how real quick. I like to leave them hanging for a day or so, simply because they're really slimy when they're first green. But I'll do a small demonstration on how I make this rope with it green, just so you guys can see it in the same video. And you know, like here in a few days or something, I got it dried out and I've got some time, we'll go a little bit more in depth. But it's very, very simple, and it's worth knowing. Because if you're ever in a survival situation, you're probably not going to have any rope, you know, so it's pretty handy to know how to make some. So check it out. I got to remember to stand back down here with my legs like this so you guys can see me. Wish America made stuff still, and then I'd buy an American made tripod. So I'm just twisting, and I'm twisting and twisting and twisting. And when I twist hard enough, I get a natural little loop that happens just like that. See that? So once I have this loop made, I keep twisting on my left. It doesn't matter what side, you know. What matters is you're doing the same thing over. I twist over on my left side, and then I fold it over the other side. And now the right becomes the left, and I twist this really hard. And then I fold it over. And then I just keep doing that. Twisting the left, folding it over to the right, twisting the left, folding it over to the right. And you're seeing what's happening here. I'm making rope. You know, I mean, it's bendable, it's pliable, does the trick, you know. So as you can see here, I can keep going and going. I know some of you are thinking, well, hey, what if I need a rope longer than, you know, a few feet? Well, that's okay. All I do is just start incorporating new strands of the material in right here. And as I'm twisting it, it gets locked in there. And then when you're wrapping it over and over, it just, you know, gets nice and locked. So it's a pretty handy way to be able to make your own rope if you're ever in a survival situation. Or if you're just a nerd like me and like doing stuff the old ways, you know. So be a cool rope. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo this though, because like I said, I like for mine to be a little bit drier. And I'm gonna go ahead and hang these. But I forgot my head's not in it. But sorry guys, I don't reshoot videos. But now at least you guys can see the gist of this. Thanks guys.